Hi and welcome to Wholehearted Me. Today I want to go over the gestures. They've popped it into a beautiful visual format, and so I wanted to just go through each one. So editing, undo, tap once. I've got it over here on the side as well to help me just get through this as quickly as I can for you guys. Let's have a look. So with this document, you hop out. I want to use this document for the minute. Undo, tap once with 2 fingers. Now I know that's this button here. So let me write something that I don't want. I don't want that there. So you can tap once with 2 fingers. Tap once, nothing happened. So I have done another video about this. Tap once with 2 fingers. Let's try the tissue paper effect. Tap once. I've not really used the this because I find it hard to get it to work, but look at that. See, it's possible for anyone to do it. Redo. Tap once with 3 fingers. Make the undone action reappear. So we're going to do tissue paper. Ready? There it is. So tissue paper, guys. Look. Undo. Oh, I did feel that finger hadn't touched. Look at that. I actually got it to work. That's incredible. Undo. Oops. You will feel your fingers have to hit there at the same time. So, you've got to allow for a little bit of error. 3 fingers. Hang on, I'm shaking a little bit because I'm trying to do it. So, woo. Wow. I'm impressed. Tissue paper. Tissue paper is the key, guys. And 2 fingers. Wow, which is how I want it to stay. So let's do that. Let me just swipe. When you swipe between pages, it cleans, the magnetic wipe happens, and I like it to look all nice and clean. I know I'm a little bit OCD. That's okay. All right, so that's those 2. Undo, redo. Now the select item, I have not been able to get. I do not understand how this works. So I'm just full disclosure. You can be kind and make a comment down below if you know how to do this. Please be kind to me. I do all this, to the goodness of my heart. But select item, press and hold with 1 finger, perform actions when selected. So I've tried with both type text and with, hop off that, and with handwriting text. And I don't understand how it works. Press and hold with 1 finger. So if I press and hold that, I'm doing it now, tissue paper. No, nothing happens. Let's go into our type text. The way to quickly get into type text is you just double click it. Now, if I press and hold that word, it doesn't select it either. So I don't know what that actually means. And I'm happy to be wrong. I'm happy to not know. So if someone could help me out, that'd be great. I do know in here that if you double tap it, it will highlight the word, right? And then you could perform the action when selected. I can do any of those things. That works, and I've been using that function. But in terms of writing, it doesn't specify, so I'm not sure what that select item means. So that's editing. Let's move on to navigation. All right, scroll. This is going to go quick. Scrolling is amazing now. It's so much better, even with the scroll bar. So scrolling, move around in overviews and shortcut draws. Okay, I just want to show you, look at that scroll bar, how it comes up. Isn't that amazing? Look at that. It just comes up really quick, and you can do now, that's 2 finger panning slowly around inside documents. And the zoom, sometimes, yeah, look at that. Now give it a second. Look at that. That's so good. It's actually 3.1 times. See how it's just done a magnetic wipe? It's 3.1 times. And you can press, I call it a zoom button, to get back to 1.0. Now this one, scrolling inside an overview and a shortcut draw. So let's pull down 2 fingers. Let's pull down so it's saying use 1 finger inside. So if I go to favorites, you just use 1 finger. That's what it's saying, inside of an overview and a shortcut drawer. So let's just tap off it. That's those three. Now jump. Swipe one finger vertically. Quickly move past overflowing content. Who knows what, I'm sure someone will work out what that is. Flip page. Okay, this is where you got to pretend it's tissue paper, guys. I know I've got a second page. This is 2-page document. So you just, tissue paper, you hardly touch it. If you try and do it, see that? See, I'm pressing really hard right now. See, it doesn't work? But if I just go like that, look at that. It's perfection. All right, close document. We all know this one. One finger from the top. Love that. I use it all the time. So that's all 6 navigation. Let's go to shortcuts. Let me just go. We've got 6 more left. Shortcuts, quick browse. Now I have to be inside a document. Where's the big document? 9 pages. Let's go to the 11 ways to upload. This document was really cool. Now it says quick browse, swipe up with one finger, get a scroll preview. So when you go like that, you can see there's a scroll preview. You can see it's 19 pages. I'm on page 2 and you can move and look at that. Desktop, reMarkable account. That's super important, by the way, guys. If you don't have a my.remarkable.com, you need to make sure you do that. So you can see all the pages. How cool. Look, a massive preview. It's a massive preview area. So good. And just tap off it if you want to get out of that. So that's that. The open drawer, swipe 2 fingers from the top. I've showed you that, but let's do that again. Again, tissue paper. Make sure they make contact at the same time. That's when it doesn't work. This is your document drawer and you get to access both the recent files you've been in and also the favorite files that you've put a star next to that you always want to use, right? Open drawer. So we've done quick browse, open drawer, enter type text, double tap with one finger. Yeah. I think I was just showing that to you guys. So you open up your typewriter that way, right? And you type, close it. Now, to enter typed text, double tap with one finger. So if you did that, if you double tap, I showed you this earlier. Why isn't it working now? There it is. Okay, again, I think I was pressing too hard. Let me try that again. Again, I'm going to leave this in just to show you, that you have to find the right pressure. When you first start doing this, find the right pressure. Don't get frustrated, just find the right pressure and then you can do it. So that's what enter type text, double tap with one finger. Set cursor to start writing. So that means, do you want to start writing there or do you want to start writing here or do you want to start writing there or do you want to start writing there? That's how you set the cursor to start writing. All right, let's close that. And the last 3, typed text. So to select a word, I think I already told you this. Oh, look at that. See how much easier it did it? There you go. Select a word. You double tap. I already did show you this. To edit or format the typed text. So that's I think that's a pretty new function. Select paragraph. All right, I'm going to hop out of here, this document. So select paragraph, triple tap with one finger. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. All right, two finger tap gets you in. All right, double tap gets you into formatting. Now to select the paragraph, triple tap with one finger. Right, 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at that. It selected the whole paragraph. I love it. Now it says to select all, tap 4 times to edit or format the whole text. Now, that should mean all of that comes up, right? So let's just tap off because, again, you can place your cursor wherever you want it by doing that. Now, it's saying if we tap 4 times, it should select everything. All right, here we go, guys. We're going to try it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, yes! Look at that. Good job, reMarkable. Good job. Wow. I'm pretty excited about that. Even though I don't use the type text function very often, we could right now bold everything, copy everything, paste everything, italicize everything, cut everything. right? Which is way faster than doing it individually, right? You cannot select multiple. I'm not trying to rain on their parade, but I'm just saying if you start doing more formatting in here, I know someone's going to say, why can't I highlight 2 words at a time? You just can't do it, okay? But as we've just seen, let's click off. Let's go back. You can do 1, 2, 3. You can do that. You can do 1 word. You can do that. And you can do 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for it. Yes. That is incredible. Good job, reMarkable. I love it. Love it. All right. So that is all of the gestures. I'll just take you back to that page where we finish off. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments below. Oh, it's back here. Menu, guides, and touch gestures. That's where it is. And you can check up and down one finger. You can navigate within options like this. So the only one I really couldn't work out how to do, I think it was the only one, is this one. Select the item, press and hold with one finger. I'm not sure what that does, but let's learn together. I'm always loving learning. The rest were all good. So, hey, some love on the channel is always helpful. Thank you so much for watching and being here. Bye.